I want to build a PC, so I Googled how hard could it be. If it catches on fire, at least it'll be in 4K. This will either be inspirational or a cautionary tale by someone who is 70% sure he did everything right. Go for it, dude. Check it out.
What the fuck? I got a B650 Aorus Elite AX, Ryzen 7000 series 7700X, a 1 terabyte SSD for the M.2 slot. NVIDIA, it's a GeForce RTX 3060. Then we got a 650 watt power supply unit. Also an air cooler, Phantom Spirit 120. It's got all the cool colors. 96 gigabytes of RAM. Harley V twin right here, buddy. Look at that. All the fans turned on. So she's doing something. Now we just need to figure out what that is. And just like that, we're in the BIOS. That means this bad boy is functional. Now we just need to go through some settings and get it configured.
Well, it didn't catch on fire, but we did build a PC. If you got any value out of the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. And check out this video right here. Till next time, deuces!